Hey guys, so a couple of years ago I did a video on power washing some old lawn chairs. They're plastic. I used this product right here, Super Clean. So I have a couple of chairs right now. They're really dirty. I put some Super Clean on them. I'm gonna power wash them off and wait till you see how clean these chairs get. All right, so we're using like a Zep spray bottle. I got it at Home Depot. I filled it with some Super Clean, using the full strength. I just sprayed down the whole chair and now we're gonna power wash it off. These chairs haven't been cleaned in a couple of years. They've been outside in the rain and the dirt, under trees. But the Super Clean really works good with the power washer. If I just used the power washer, it would get clean, but not this clean. All right, so that's how this chair right here started off. It looked like that when we started. I've got to do this one. But that's what I used on it, the Super Clean. I'll put a link to this the product in the description of the video. Spray it on, and then you can probably hose it off. I used a pressure washer, get everything out pretty good. These are really old lawn chairs. They've been outside for probably 4 or 5 years. They're just old, but they came that clean, even with being out there that long. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the video, and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching the video.